Hi, I'm Laura Hoy for Benzinga, and here's a look at what you can expect from the markets today, Monday, October 7th. The U.S. government has shown no signs of progress towards reaching an agreement which would restart federal operations. This is added to worries that the government will remain at odds through the October 17th deadline. This stalemate has sent the dollar tumbling and has had a negative impact on stock markets as investors sell their shares as a precaution. Over the weekend, Angela Merkel continued her talks with Social Democrats in the hopes of forming a grand coalition. Although the party has been hesitant to partner with Merkel, its chairman told German newspapers that it would be willing to abandon its calls for higher taxes if Merkel was able to find the revenue elsewhere. The BBC reported that the Conservative leader Adam Ufrier has been speaking out about moving forward a UK referendum on its EU membership. David Cameron promised to hold a referendum on membership in 2017 if he wins the general elections. However, Ufrier has said he's going to push Cameron for an October 2014 vote. Malaysian energy giant Petronas is planning to spend $36 billion on a new liquefied natural gas plant and pipeline in Canada. The World Bank lowered its economic forecast for China and East Asia on Monday, citing China's shift from relying on exports to focusing on internal demand. The bank sees growth at 7.1%, down from the 7.8% forecast previously. Asian markets were mostly lower on Monday. The Japanese Nikkei was down by 0.79%. The South Korean Kospi lost 0.12%. Australia's ASX 200 was down by 0.9%. And Indonesia's JSX Composite was down by 0.14%. European markets were quiet on Monday morning. The UK's FTSE was up by 0.08% and the Eurozone Stock 600 was unchanged. Italy's MIB recovered from last week's political drama and was up 1.59%. In commodity markets, energy futures were lower. Brent futures were down by 0.32% and WTI futures were down by 0.47%. Gold was up 0.30% as investors flocked to the commodity as a safe haven. Silver also gained, up 0.15%. Industrial metals were up across the board, with tin posting the largest gains, up 5.49%. The dollar was under pressure on Monday morning amid government shutdown worries. The euro continued to trade above $1.35, and the pound gained 0.13% against the dollar. The yen also gained against the greenback, up 0.35%. Monday's economic calendar will be a quiet one. Expected economic releases include Australian business confidence, Eurozone investor confidence, US consumer credit, and British house price balance data. And that's it for today's Market Primer. I'm Laura Hoy for Benzinga. Happy trading and good luck!